Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I know it was yesterday though, but I was busy for 4th of July, so I couldn't make a video. This is, my dog's 4th of July present. He got them for 4th of July. Yay! I bought it yesterday. I just bought it yesterday. And he's still into it. For some weird reason. And I gave him this, I think you saw this in our last video. There was this elephant, and he ripped off the eye. And so he was that. Yeah. I'll be back. I'm gonna go say it again. Hey, it's for our viewers. It's for our viewers. It's for our viewers. Come on, it's for our viewers. Ooh. For our viewers. It's for our viewers. Well, just have to say that he's a bit vigilant, and he won't let go of it. So I'm kind of upset with him. So yeah. What else? Oh, happy 4th of July, everybody. Comment down what you did for 4th of July. I stayed at home because I went outside. I was gonna make a video of fireworks so bad, but it got so nighty, so I thought nobody's gonna watch it. So I made a video of it, but I didn't get to, show it to you guys. I made a video of it and I put it in my computer, but I thought it was kind of night and people are celebrating the 4th of July, so, Okay, so this is kind of like SSG audition. I'm not making an audition for SSG. You are going to audition for us, and kind of Lola Johnson is going to be like, you join us. Sorry if you got mixed up in our other SSG videos. Sorry. Okay, you sign up for us. Tell us in a video response about you. We will look at your video response and choose the next 6 people. Okay? I'm gonna try to get this phone so I can show it to you. So. Let me show you the phone. I'm your chat to say happy 4th of July. Here's the phone. And his birthday is in December. Are you gonna pick up your phone or not? Here, check your Tell them you're going to audition to SSG. I want to audition to SSG. Audition for SSG. SSG, audition for SSG. Audition for SSG. Audition for SSG. That sounds weird. Audition for SSG. Audition for SSG. Audition SSG. head off. Okay, so yeah, we're making a movie today, and yeah, we're making it in a few minutes